Today we will be making vegan Snickerdoodle cookies. This recipe is simple, easy, awesome, healthy, and it's dairy-free. So let's get started. Today we'll be needing a 3/4 cup of almond milk. If this is not vegan for you, you can put milk. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, about a cup to 2 cups of flour of your choice. You're going to need a squirt of oil. We use canola. You're going to need a little bit of vanilla extract, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and some cooking spray and salt. Okay, so in this recipe, we're going to be using a flour, but you can use any kind of flour you desire. So, what we're going to do, Daisy, first we're going to put our wet ingredients into this mixture. So first you're going to add the squirt of oil. And then, long squirt. Yeah, long squirt. And then you have to put your brown sugar. And you can put a little bit of vanilla extract. Don't forget, vanilla extract is so powerful, so do not put too much. Just put like a little tiny squirt. And then we have to put a little bit, like a sprinkle of salt. And then let's mix. So it's finished mixing and it looks like this. So now we're going to put, one of us are going to mix and the other one is going to gradually put some flour. Now we're going to move on to the spatula. So far it looks like this, so far so good. And now it's gonna gradually put a little bit of almond milk to make it a little like softer and little dough-like. And if it's gonna be like a batter, we can put a little more flour. All. And then I'm just gonna put some flour. Mix it up. So we put all the ingredients together and we are mixing it, and now it looks like this. So now we're going to put our final 3 ingredients. So now we're going to put our last 3 ingredients: cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. So now we're going to put a sprinkle of cinnamon. A sprinkle of cinnamon. And we're going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So it's about half of the, like this. And now I'm going to mix it together with my hands. But just to let you know, I already washed my hands. So if you're going to use it with hands, wash your hands, please, because no germs. We don't want germs in our food. So it has to be not too thick, but not too thin either. Like this kind of dough. It has to be easy to work with. You don't want to just use all your muscle strength to just knead it. Don't put too much flour, but don't put too much almond milk or milk. So basically, what are we going to do next? Now we're going to make the cinnamon sugar mixture for our Snickerdoodle cookies. So we're just going to put a little bit of our cinnamon. A little more. Yeah, like that. And then we're going to mix it together with a spoon. We're using the cinnamon sugar mixture to coat our dough. This is optional, although it's really good.
Well,
And
basically, in a Snickerdoodle cookie, you have to have a cinnamon sugar coating. If you're not going to have if you're not having a cinnamon sugar coating on a Snickerdoodle, it's basically kind of not a Snickerdoodle.
it's like a vanilla cookie.
Yeah.
So, looking good. We're done. Look how it looks like. Okay, so now we have our parchment paper ready, and it's now time to make them ready for the oven. So you would have we have our dough ready. So now I'm gonna take out the spoon. Basically, it's supposed to be like this size or a little bigger because basically it's gonna like go down when you cook it. Or if you don't want it to go down, or if you don't want any baking powder or baking soda, you can just put it down like this, and then it will be like a little bit bigger, so it'll be a good cookie. So now I'm just going to make the dough, and then. So we recommend a light cinnamon sugar coating, and don't put too much, like I said before. So it might grow a lot. Is that Baby? Good job, baby. Now I'm coating the dough like this, and then after that, I'm gonna put it here and press it lightly. Well, you can press it light. If you you can just press it lightly in your hand as well.
Like this. And then you put it in your cinnamon sugar pudding. Just roll it in there. And then you just roll it, press it, but don't put, and then you can just put it there.
Hi. So we're going to cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. But of course, we're going to use a conventional oven, so that may vary with your oven, like a big oven, but are you going to use like a small oven? So maybe you're going to probably use like 350 degrees for like 11 minutes, 11 to 15 minutes in a big oven. So we'll see you then. Okay, everyone, we're back and we finished our cookies. They look like this. They look so good and they smell good as well. So let's taste them. It's really good. Dewy and it's really sweet. And it's good because it's vegan and healthy. So you guys should try this recipe. Yep. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share with all of your friends and family, and click on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our awesome new videos. And don't just watch the video, make it. Bye.